All right, let's start with a simple one. What is the capital of France? Is it A, London, B, Paris, C, Berlin, or D, Rome? Well, if you guessed B, Paris, you're absolutely correct. Moving on to our next question. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Was it A, Charles Dickens, B, William Shakespeare, C, Mark Twain, or D, Jane Austen? The right answer is B, William Shakespeare. Great job if you got that one. Now, let's dive into some space trivia. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Is it A, Earth, B, Saturn, C, Jupiter, or D, Mars? The correct answer is C, Jupiter. Hope you got that right. And for our last question, what is the chemical symbol for water? Is it A, CO2, B, H2O, C, O2, or D, NaCl? If you answered B, H2O, then you're spot on. All right, here's a classic one for you. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Was it A, Vincent van Gogh, B, Pablo Picasso, C, Leonardo da Vinci, or D, Claude Monet? The correct answer is C, Leonardo da Vinci. Next up, let's dive into some math. What is the smallest prime number? Is it A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, or D, 5? The answer is B, 2. Now let's talk geography. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Is it A, China, B, South Korea, C, Japan, or D, Thailand? The correct answer is C, Japan. All right, let's dive into another fascinating question. What is the longest river in the world? Is it A, Amazon River, B, Nile River, C, Yangtze River, D, Mississippi River? Well, the answer can be a bit tricky, but it's generally considered to be A, Amazon River, or B, Nile River, depending on the measurement. Now, moving on to a groundbreaking scientific discovery. Who developed the theory of relativity? Was it A, Isaac Newton, B, Albert Einstein, C, Stephen Hawking, D, Galileo Galilei? The correct answer is B, Albert Einstein. And here's a question that's a bit closer to home. What is the main ingredient in bread? Is it A, sugar, B, salt, C, flour, D, yeast? The answer is C, flour. All right, here's a question for you. Which planet is known as the red planet? Is it A, Venus, B, Mars, C, Jupiter, or D, Saturn? The answer is B, Mars. Next question. What is the capital of Australia? Is it A, Sydney, B, Melbourne, C, Canberra, or D, Brisbane? The answer is C, Canberra. Moving on, who's known as the father of computers? Is it A, Alan Turing, B, Charles Babbage, C, Bill Gates, or D, Steve Jobs? The answer is B, Charles Babbage. All right, here's a question for you. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Is it A, gold, B, diamond, C, quartz, or D, iron? Well, the answer is B, diamond. Next up, let's talk about plants. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Is it A, oxygen, B, nitrogen, C, carbon dioxide, or D, hydrogen? The answer is C, carbon dioxide. And now for our final question. What is the largest mammal in the world? Could it be A, African elephant, B, blue whale, C, giraffe, or D, orca? The correct answer is B, blue whale. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Was it A, Yuri Gagarin, B, Neil Armstrong, C, Buzz Aldrin, or D, Michael Collins? The correct answer is B, Neil Armstrong. What is the currency of Japan? Is it A, yen, B, 1, C, dollar, or D, euro? The correct answer is A, yen. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located on? Is it A, Asia, B, Africa, C, Australia, or D, South America? The correct answer is B, Africa. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? Is it A, 90 degrees Celsius, B, 100 degrees Celsius, C, 110 degrees Celsius, or D, 120 degrees Celsius? The correct answer is B, 100 degrees Celsius.